Hey guys, welcome back to TechIntiv. Today, we are taking a look at a UPS from APC. Yeah, it's the APC BX1100C-IN. So, with no further ado, let's get started. On the box, we can see couple of its features and specifications. This model I have here with me is a 1100 VA, that is 660 watts max UPS. It says it has about 4 to 6 hours of fast charging time. And we are getting a 1-year warranty including the battery. It is quiet, which means it has less beeping sounds. And it is also BIS certified. Over here, we can see some technical specifications. There are more features on the back with its descriptions. There are a lot of things on the box itself that you have to read before using the UPS. I shall be covering these features in this video. Here, on the top, you will see a table that mentions the runtime of the UPS for various devices. In the box, we get a report on quality assurance tests, indicating the test procedures and results that was done at the time of packaging. Then, we are getting some warranty information, safety information, and a user manual which contains the details about installation and more. Make sure you have read all these before using the UPS. It weighs about 9 kilograms. And it's made of good quality plastic. It has a power cord of length 1.5 meters. And a 6 amp 3-pin Indian plug at the end of the cord. Here, you can see some markings, like indicating the battery saver button, and the charge status. If it is green, then the UPS is charging. If it is red, then you have to replace the battery. And if it is off, then the UPS is fully charged. Plastic is restricted, so I am peeling off the sticker from the front panel. In the front panel, we can see the APC logo by Schneider Electric. Then, we can see some buttons on the top. The first and main button is always the power on or off button, and when we switch it on, the LED in the button turns green. The second button is for battery saver option. Pressing this button will activate the battery saver feature and offers consistent runtime during the lifetime of the battery. It increases the battery life up to 2 times, but the runtime of the connected equipment will reduce when this feature is enabled. And there is an LED, which is a status indicator for the battery. On the sides of the UPS, we can see couple of vents, which is usually for cooling and dissipating the heat generated by the electronic circuits inside. And there is nothing much on the top. You can see the customer service toll-free number and a warning. On the bottom side, the edges are bit elevated and protrudes outwards, thus helping in the stability when the UPS is in standing position. And, moving to the backside, we can see a lot of power outlets. It has 4 power outlets with battery backup and surge protection. And, there is one additional outlet for surge-only protection. It has been mentioned in the manual to use a 6 amp rated plug, and we should not connect surge protectors or extension cords to these outlets. Moving down, we can see a thermal breaker circuit switch here. This is a very good feature. The UPS will trip, cutting off the power if there is any overload condition. Pressing this button will reset the thermal circuit breaker, and the unit will start operating normally. Also, here, inside, there is a cooling fan that is meant for cooling the electronic components when running on battery power. Let me just switch the UPS on and see what happens. I had charged it for about 6 hours before using. Yeah guys, the PC is on and working perfectly. The things I don't like about the product is, if you touch anywhere in the UPS, you can suddenly see your fingerprints. It is very difficult to remove. And, it is not scratch resistant also. Overall, this is the best UPS you can buy at this price range. I have provided the links to buy this product in the description area. Okay guys, that's all for today. Leave a like if you enjoyed, comment your questions, share with your friends, and, at last subscribe to my channel and enable the bell icon. Thank you.